Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn what are sets and how to create sets in Tableau. There are two types of sets in Tableau, static sets and dynamic set. In this video we are going to learn what is dynamic set and how to create a dynamic set in Tableau. You can use the sets to compare and ask questions about a subset of data. Here subset is nothing but a part, so a part of data. Sets are custom fields that define a subset of data based on some conditions. Dynamic sets can only be based on single dimension. The members of dynamic set change when the underlying data changes. So let's go to Tableau and create a dynamic set. So right click on the dimension subcategory and choose this option create and click on set. So create set window will opens. You can configure the set using these three tabs: general, condition and top. First go to general. In this I always prefer to use this option use all. So using this select from list option, you can select the list of subcategories or you can click all to select all options. So I always prefer to use this option use all to consider all members even when new members are added or removed to dataset. Okay. So next one is go to condition tab to define rules that determine which members to include in the set. So I will select sales. Okay. So I will give 40,000. You can specify the condition based on total sales that only includes subcategory with the sales of sales over 40,000. So set conditions will work same as filter condition. So greater than or equals to 40,000. Next go to this top tab. So use this top tab to define limits on what members to include in the set. So click on by field and top 10 by sales. Okay. Specify the limit based on total sales that only includes the top 10 subcategories based on their sales. Then click on OK. So a custom field set is added in the data pane with a set icon indicates that this field is a set. So first I will drag subcategory into row shelf and I will drag sales into text. So we will get all subcategories. So let me drag this field into colors. Now you can see some members have highlighted with blue color and some are with gray color. So the highlighted members in blue color indicates in, which means these highlighted members have satisfied the condition, which means which are the sales of subcategories are greater than 40,000 and these blue color members are top 10 subcategories by sales. So you can also keep this field in filters and if I select only in, then you can see in the view that these are the top 10 subcategories by sales and which satisfy the condition greater than 40,000 sales. So you can also keep this field in the row shelf. So now you can see in and out. So in means which have satisfied the members which have satisfied the condition that greater than sales, greater than 40,000 sales and top 10 members. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.